Hey guys, so this is a Honda 2024, Honda Civic 2024. I'm going to show you how to remove the door panel. Not the door panel, the door sweep basically. If you want to tint it, if you want to clean it, if you want to remove the old tint or anything similar. So basically it's pretty easy. You don't even need to remove anything here. You just put your fingers right here and pop it. So it pops up like that. Really good. So basically you see here, that's what it is. That, and some of them are here, and then this one, the sweep just comes out. Just really easy. So yeah, and same thing you do with the back. Same technique. Basically just pop it, remove it. You don't have to remove any plastics here, anything. And don't worry, not break. Yep, you see it? That's it. Peace.